How are you? I'm Chef Ralph Scamardella of the Tao Group, and today we're going to be making one of my favorite dishes, which is mushroom beef barley soup. And we're going to be using Laura's lean ground beef, my favorite ground beef to use. It's a never ever program. It's 100% natural, no added hormones, no antibiotics, and it's tremendous flavor. So join me in making my favorite dish. Season the ground beef, generous amount of pepper, salt, saute pan. We're going to let it brown, and then we're going to take it out and store our vegetables. We're going to add a little bit of butter, 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Take our bay leaf and our thyme, basil or parsley or herbs. Take all our mushrooms, and you stir it up. Once again, you can hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Add canned tomatoes or fresh tomatoes. We're going to take our soaked barley. So barley, it's a grain. We wash it 2 or 3 times, make sure the water comes out clear, and we cover it with cold water and we let it soak for a couple hours. It should be a little bit soft. And we add the barley in. We add our beef back in. It's okay if you got a little bit too much stock. It's going to cook down. We're going to bring it to 1 boil, and then we're going to let it simmer for a couple hours until the barley is nice and soft. Check our soup. It's been about an hour and a half. Ah, look at that. Beautiful. It's a little bit of extra virgin olive oil if I like it. Thank you for joining us, and enjoy.